We have completed regional kingdoms in our previous discussion, and now we will start struggle of British East India Company with regional kingdoms. So struggle with Hyderabad we have seen in Carnatic War. So that is why we will start from Bengal. Struggle struggle of British East India Company with Bengal. So regime of Ali Vardi Khan we have discussed in whenever I was discussing regional kingdom, and after Ali Vardi Khan, Sirajuddaulah came in power of Bengal. Sirajuddaulah, and relation of Sirajuddaulah and British East India Company became shore relation. Shore relation. And due to shore relation, Battle of Plassey was started between British East India Company and Sirajuddaulah. Battle of Plassey started. So now we will see causes behind Battle of Plassey, and after causes we will see significance of Plassey. Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was started in 23rd June 1757, and if you look at causes, first important causes is British East India Company was misusing their privilege in Bengal. British East India Company misusing privilege in Bengal. Second, British East India Company built one fortified fort at Kolkata without permission of Nawab. Built fortified factory at Kolkata. And British East India Company also supporting traitors of Nawab. British East India Company supporting traitors of Nawab, like cousin of Nawab, and some official of Nawab army like Mir Jafar. And one rumor was spreaded which Sirajuddaulah will give more privilege to French in Calcutta, and Sirajuddaulah will reduce some privilege of British East India Company at Calcutta. So that was a rumor between Sirajuddaulah and British East India Company. Now we will see causes by Sirajuddaulah. Due to these causes, Sirajuddaulah attacked fortified fort of British East India Company at Calcutta and imprisoned 146 English personnel, and in next day 126 of them were died due to suffocation, and that tragedy known as Black Hole Tragedy. Black Hole Tragedy. Siraj attacked at Calcutta Fort of British, and imprisoned 146 English personnel, and in next day 126 died due to suffocation, and that tragedy known as Black Hole Tragedy. Black Hole Tragedy. And in retaliation of Black Hole Tragedy, British East India Company called force, and force came from Madras in command of Robert Clive, and Robert Clive alliance with some traitors of Nawab, and the Battle of Plassey was started. So after Black Hole Tragedy, British East India Company called forces, and force came from Madras with command of Robert Clive. And Robert Clive aligns with some traitors of Nawab. Alliance traitors of Nawab, and Battle of Plassey was started. Battle of Plassey started. In 23rd June 1757. So these are causes behind Battle of Plassey. Now we will see significances of Battle of Plassey. Significance of Battle of Plassey. Because Robert Clive aligns Mir Jafar to be made next Nawab of Bengal, and it was agreement between Robert Clive and Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar will give some reward to British East India Company in average of Nawab of Bengal. So Mir Jafar, Mir Jafar ceded possession of 24 Parganas Zamindari to British East India Company. Ceded possession of 24 Parganas Zamindari. Parganas Zamindari. And from this battle, British East India Company led foundation of British Empire in India. Led foundation of British Empire. British Empire. And also British East India Company established supremacy among other European companies and regional kingdom in Nicobar areas. British supremacy. Next is British distinguish other European nationals in competition to control commercial and political in Bengal. Distinguished other Europeans companies for political and commercial control. So these are significance of Battle of Plassey. But after some time, relation of Mir Jafar and British East India Company became sour due to some causes. Relation sour because causes because Robert Clive was interfering in political system of Bengal, and it was much more interfered of Robert Clive. Clive interference, and due to interference of Clive, Mir Jafar started conspiracy against British East India Company with Dutch. Mir Jafar and Dutch started conspiracy, but Dutch were defeated by British East India Company in Battle of Bandra in 1759, and Battle of Bandra, also known as Battle of Hooghly, which I have discussed also in a struggle of Dutch and British East India Company. Battle of Battle of Bendra, Bendra, in which was happened in 1659. And after Battle of Bendra, British East India Company was supporting to Mir Qasim for next Nawab of Bengal. And after battle, British East India Company supporting to Mir Qasim, and Mir Qasim came in power of Bengal, and some agreement were signed between Mir Qasim and British East India Company, and according to that agreement, Mir Qasim was agreement. Mir Qasim agreed to give Bardhaman, Midnapur and Chittagong to British East India Company. Mir Qasim gives Bardhaman, Midnapur and Chittagong. Next is Mir Qasim was agreed to give 5 lakh to British East India Company for war in southern India. 5 lakhs for war in southern India. Next, Mir Jafar was agreed to pay all dues of Bengal, pay all dues of Bengal. But after some time, Mir Qasim was also irritated with British East India Company, and he shifted his capital from Murshidabad to Munger in Bihar, and he was remodeling to army by skill and efficiency, and that is why relation of Mir Qasim and British East India Company became short, and due to short relation, Battle of Buxar was started. Relation shore because shift of capital shifted capital from Murshidabad to Munger in Bihar, and he also started remodeling of army with efficiency and skilled. Remodeling of army by skill and efficiency, and due to sore relation and these steps of Mir Qasim, battle of Buxar was started. So in this discussion, this is enough. We will start from Battle of Buxar in our next discussion.